friends. Today we came in a restaurant which is located in Iran, Tajrish. So we ordered a special kind of food, Dizi. It has a special recipe to cook, and right now I wanna show you how to eat. So friends, if you wanna eat this kind of food, you should eat like that. First of all, smash everything. Yes, like that. This is a traditional food of Iran. So if you come to Iran, you should eat this food. It looks like so. I think it also has some spices, and it has different kinds of ingredients. Meat, potatoes, peas, I think so. Okay. Yes, it looks like that it will be so delicious. I think so. It's my second time that I'm eating such kind of food. Okay, after smashing everything together, yes, here's my friend Saif Ali, which smashed everything.
Come here.
Habibi, come to Iran and eat Dizi.
Come here, my friend.
I think it's enough.
Come.
Yes. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Oh my god. Oh yes.
Oh my God.
Yeah, you should smash everything with this tool. Yeah. Okay. After that, you should smash the lemons like that. Okay. Okay. And it's a special kind of bread which is called non sangak. Also, oh my god. Yes. Okay. After doing all these things, right now it's ready to eat. So delicious.